Hello there and welcome back to another AC tutorial. Do you want to qualify leads better and boost your conversions? In today's video, we will dive into static lead scoring, what it is, how it works, and how to implement it in just a few minutes. Now you feel ready? Open your account and let's get started. Lead scoring is a powerful tool that helps you to rank your contacts based on certain elements that you can choose from the segment builder. A static lead score means that you're giving a fixed amount of points based on those criteria. Different from the dynamic score, the static score does not change over time. There are many different conditions that you can select to build your own lead scoring strategy, making static score great for tracking high-impact actions and segment leads for marketing and sales. Let's see how you can use the static lead scoring strategically as an e-commerce marketer. A contact subscribed to your newsletter, you can give them 10 points for that. They have clicked on multiple links in your campaigns, you can give them 15 points for that. They have added a product to the cart, you can give them 30 points for that. They have made their first purchase, you can give them 50 points for that. Once a contact gets 50 points or more, you can use the help of automations to add them a tag, VIP customer for example. That tag could also be a trigger for a whole new sequence of loyalty program in your automations. On the B2B side, you can use lead scoring to create a funnel to then qualify the leads to be assigned to a sales rep. Let's say the example. A lead has downloaded a white paper. You can give them 20 points for that. They have attended a webinar. You can give 30 points for that. They have booked a call. You can give them 50 points for that. Once a contact reaches 50 points, they can be tagged as qualified sales lead and be assigned to a sales rep accordingly, focusing on quality over quantity. Now you can go on the left-hand side menu, click into Contacts, then Scoring. On the top right-hand corner, you can click into Add a Score, then Contact Score. Now we click into Add a New Rule. Here you'll find the Segment Builder, where you'll be able to find all the criteria that we have mentioned previously. And you can choose each individual criteria and give a certain amount of points accordingly. In the expiration, you can make those points expire over a certain period of time if you wish. If you just leave it empty, the score won't change it. And that's how you can use static lead score in ActiveCampaign to track, qualify, and convert leads more efficiently. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.